Hello everyone.
I make the following order. Paragraph 1. The private prosecution of Mr. Zuma, the private prosecution by Mr. Zuma of Mr. Downer and Ms. Moon is removed from the roll. Paragraph 2. Such removal is without prejudice to the rights of Mr. Zuma in terms of Section 11, subsection 1 of the Criminal Procedure Act 51 of 1977. Paragraph 3. Mr. Downer and Ms. Moon are directed to appear as accused persons in the private prosecution on the date to be determined in the event that the judgment and order of the full bench of this division per Justices Kruger, Hendricks and Masipa dated 7 June 2023 in case numbers 12770/22P and 13062/22P are finally set aside.
President Jacob Zuma's bid to privately prosecute State Advocate Billy Downer and journalist Karen Morgan was struck off the roll by the Pietermaritzburg High Court on Wednesday. This after Morgan's lawyer, Charles du Plessis, had last week requested the court to strike the matter off the roll due to several failed appeals by Zuma in the private prosecution case. Zuma instituted a private prosecution against Downer and Morgan in 2022, alleging public court documents regarding his corruption case were leaked to the journalist, including a sick note from the former president's doctors. Downer is the lead prosecutor in Zuma's corruption case related to a multi-billion rand arms deal with French arms company Thales. The court had set aside the private prosecution, which Zuma tried to appeal, but the application was twice dismissed by the Supreme Court of Appeal. Zuma's appeals are set to the Constitutional Court, which could further delay the matter. Judge Nkosinathi Chili said striking the matter off the roll would not prejudice Zuma. He said, "I cannot think of any prejudice Mr. Zuma will suffer if an order is made to remove the private prosecution from the roll, pending finalization of his appeal against the order of the full court of this division." Chili said any order which prevents Zuma from reinstating his private prosecution case would amount to a gross violation of his rights to a fair trial and incompatible with the intention of justice, despite the matter being previously set aside, and said, "I make the order that the private prosecution by Mr. Zuma of Mr. Downer and Ms. Morgan is removed from the roll. Such removal is without prejudice to the rights of Mr. Zuma." He said Downer and Morgan will avail themselves to appear as accused people on a date yet to be determined if required and pending the outcome of Zuma's appeal application. What's your take on this one, people? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.